A major political row has erupted in Jammu and Kashmir over a draft proposal that has suggested 6 new legislative seats for Jammu and only one for Kashmir, in a move that local parties have described as gerrymandering and an attempt to skew the balance of power in the erstwhile state. The draft by the Union Government's Delimitation Commission was distributed among 5 MPs from Jammu and Kashmir who are associate members of the body during its meeting in New Delhi on Monday, and was rejected by all political parties in Kashmir who have termed it biased and unacceptable. National Conference President and MP Farooq Abdullah, who attended the meeting, confirmed the draft proposal and said that the party will respond to it via a formal communique on December 31st. Moving on to the next news, a Pakistani fishing boat with 6 crew members and carrying 77 kg of heroin worth around Rs 400 crore was caught in the Indian waters off the Gujarat coast, officials said on Monday. The drug seizure was made after Sunday midnight in a joint operation by the Indian Coast Guard and the Gujarat Anti-Terrorist Squad around 35 nautical miles off the Jakhau coast in Kutch district of Gujarat, they said. The boat was later brought to the Jakhau coast for further investigation, they added. Moving on to the next news, large stretches of Jammu and Kashmir continue to be without power as electricity employees carried on their indefinite strike over the merger of J&K PDD into the Power Grid Corporation of India. Power supply, however, was restored in some pockets of Jammu after the army, in a first, was called in to help. Personnel of Military Engineering Service reached a grid station yesterday evening. Only 15 to 20% feeders in Jammu region are affected. Efforts are on to rectify them. There is no effect in Kashmir. Everything is running there, Union Power Minister R.K. Singh said. Negotiations are on with the employees union in Kashmir, he added. The power sector employees of Jammu and Kashmir have refused to repair a major power breakdown that occurred over the weekend amid a cold wave in North India. Around 20,000 employees went on strike from midnight on Friday. They have decided not to carry out any repair and maintenance work until government accepts their demands. Moving on to the next news. A day after calling for the public execution of those accused of religious desecration, the Congress's Navjot Singh Sidhu hurled a vile personal attack at Amrinder Singh, calling the former Punjab Chief Minister an arrogant king and accusing him of obsequious behavior towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Sidhu's comments come as Amrinder Singh, a Congress veteran of over 40 years, and his Punjab Lok Congress prepare to face the February-March election in alliance with one-time arch rival BJP. Captain Amrinder Singh said, doors have been closed for Sidhu, but see today, he is sitting at home and is licking the feet of Modi, Mr. Sidhu said in a controversial comment. Moving on to the next news, Rafael Nadal on Monday said he has tested positive for COVID-19 on his return to Spain from Abu Dhabi, where he took part in an exhibition tournament last week. I am going through some unpleasant moments, but I trust that I will improve little by little. I am now confined at home and have informed the people who had been in contact with me, he wrote on Twitter. As a consequence of the situation, I have to have total flexibility with my calendar and I will analyze my options depending on my evolution, the 35-year-old added. I will keep you informed of any decisions about my future tournaments, he wrote.